In what may be called the first of its kind in the entire state of Meghalaya, the Kitchen Garden Startup Scheme was distributed to residents of the 18 West Shillong Constituency by its MLA Mohendro Rapsang at a function that was held at Lower Mawprem, Shillong on the 5th of November 2022. The scheme includes items such as compost bins, grow beds, fertilizer and vegetable seedlings like peas, French beans, lettuce, coriander, mustard and beetroot. The aim of the introduction of the Kitchen Garden Scheme is to create community awareness in adopting healthy eating habits through access to fresh, healthy, locally grown vegetables and also to connect individuals to the realities of food production.
Kitchen gardening. But the Bishop Falls in Kong Suzy Lang State.
Ni combine ni kini scheme pro arliang nakaliang jong MLA but nakaliang jong Chief Minister kapoi hadu katsan lak tingka. Kani ka idea ban sedang ni kini kasu ya kani ka program kong kani kitchen garden. Kalau halor ka jing ja ke bon jing jing yesham jongi but habor mga pe habang ikendu isketri jong darbar snong Mawprem ye discuss dengan ke issues Hong Kong kalau mau bangin start ikan kitchen garden yang beli kamlong yang adan we pelok dengan apa hikai kini rukom tengok oman hukum yang bakharmo dari napo veterinary society to ngapiang kong pila kong banjit ikini beneficiaries na ITP banjit ikini beneficiaries na Mawprem yang ngala but ila succeed ya kata ngiyo adu aspach phobot ki beneficiaries na po Mawprem but hagjo po nga extend ya kani ka program siya tuwi gidor barsnong lo kamot nyotli gidor barsnong ngayo ban extend ya kani ka program